Are you ready to transform your fitness routine from the comfort of home? Whether you're looking for a full-body workout or a low-impact solution for joint health, elliptical bikes are your answer. Today, we're diving into the top 5 elliptical bikes that deliver results. Number 5. Let's kick off with a space-saving powerhouse. This portable elliptical trainer is perfect for anyone with limited space at home or office. What makes it special? It combines both arm and leg workout capabilities in one compact machine, giving you true full-body cardio sessions. With 8 adjustable resistance levels, you can customize your workout intensity from gentle rehabilitation exercises to challenging sessions. The LCD monitor tracks your progress, including time, distance, and calories burned. It features silent magnetic resistance, so you won't disturb anyone while exercising. Supporting up to 350 pounds, it's built with anti-slip pedals for maximum safety. Whether you're recovering from injury, working from home, or want effective exercise without a gym membership, this trainer adapts to your needs. The compact design means you can easily store it away when not in use. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. Moving up to number 4, the ultimate multitasker's dream. This under-desk elliptical is a game changer for anyone with a sedentary lifestyle. Imagine burning calories while working, watching TV, or reading. It features 12 speed settings, all controlled by a convenient remote control. No more bending down to adjust settings. The infrared technology ensures whisper-quiet operation, perfect for office environments. What sets this apart is how it fits seamlessly under most desks and workstations, keeping you active without interrupting your daily routine. Specifically designed with seniors in mind, offering gentle, low-impact exercise that's easy on joints. The fully assembled design means no complicated setup. For those struggling to find time for fitness in busy schedules, this solves that problem. Perfect Christmas gift for health-conscious friends or family. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Top 3 brings gym-quality equipment to your living room. This full-size elliptical's highlight? Smart app connectivity, syncing with your phone to track workouts, set goals, and monitor progress. Quiet magnetic drive technology means smooth, virtually silent operation during intense sessions. With 15 adjustable resistance levels, progressively challenge yourself as fitness improves. The 15.5-inch stride provides natural, comfortable movement mimicking your body's motion, supporting 350 pounds with durability in mind. The display shows real-time stats including heart rate, calories, distance, and time. What makes this exceptional? It grows with your fitness journey. Beginners start gentle while advanced users push hard. App connection adds accountability and motivation through achievement tracking. For anyone serious about home fitness wanting technology-enhanced workouts without gym fees, check the description and comments for the link. Number 2 puts your heart health first. This elliptical features integrated heart rate grip sensors in the handles, giving real-time cardiovascular feedback throughout workouts. The large LCD monitor displays everything: heart rate, speed, time, distance, calories, and resistance, all at a glance. With 8 smooth resistance levels, adjust intensity on the fly to stay in target heart rate zone. Magnetic drive ensures incredibly smooth, quiet operation. Supporting 350 pounds capacity with stability and long-term reliability. What makes this stand out? Focus on cardiovascular health monitoring. You're actively tracking and improving heart health, not just exercising. Ergonomic handlebar design provides comfortable grip positions for upper body workout and steady cardio. Perfect for heart health goals, weight loss, or rehabilitation needs. Combination of accurate monitoring and smooth operation makes sessions effective and enjoyable. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. Our number 1 pick combines fitness with entertainment. This premium elliptical features wireless sensing technology that automatically adjusts resistance based on your workout intensity. The star feature is the rotating tablet stand. Mount your iPad or tablet and enjoy movies, shows, or fitness apps while exercising. It makes even the longest sessions fly by. The magnetic resistance offers multiple adjustable levels for progressive training, while the LCD display tracks essential metrics. What truly elevates this is how it eliminates workout boredom, which is the number 1 reason people quit exercising. Stream your favorite shows, take virtual cycling classes, or video chat with friends while getting fit. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable posture during extended sessions, reducing strain on your back and joints. For anyone who struggles with motivation or finds cardio boring, this solves both problems. Check the description and comments for the link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.